Hi, so welcome back again. This is day 7. See, so in the previous videos, I have explained you about the what is Python programming, why coding, so it is called as language. See, in the previous 6 videos, I have done all the basics that you one should know. So okay, so if you are not aware of those things, if you are not aware of variables, data types, and if you don't know, if you have any doubts related to programming language, why we need this, so you just revise the I mean just go through my previous videos and just come back. So I will highly recommend you guys to go watch that video. So the people, so if you are aware of all those videos and if you know, so let me explain you about what is input and output functions. Okay, so first thing first, before explaining in Python for you what is input, as a human, what are the parts, or what are the they will act as input, and there is an output. Okay, so when you will respond, okay, you will respond means if you are responding means you are giving some output. Okay, input is nothing but you are taking something inside. Okay, what are those input parts? So if you think if you think for a second, the answer will be ears. Okay, now I am saying this, I'm explaining this video, I'm like teaching you about input and output functions. You are hearing, okay? You are just hearing these from your ears, okay? Now output. So what is output? So now we'll respond. So you will listen this and you will process it in your brain and you will keep it in your memory and you will say this in your interviews, or else you use this in while doing coding. Okay, so use your mouth. Most of the times your mouth will act as an output device. Okay, so input is in the same way. Here also we need some input function to take something in, an output function to give you to out something. So the result will be the output, the input will be the whatever the data that user will give. Okay, so I hope you got an idea about what is input and output. Now I have an input function, I have an output function. So what he's writing some input and he's writing print. And he's saying one is input, one is output. How it is possible? See guys, in Python we have two functions. Input is the function where user will give the input. Okay, he will give some inputs. Okay, and based on that input, the output will be printed. Okay, that's a simple thing. So input function will get the input and this print function will give the output. Okay, so the basically print is going to display. Okay, it will display and input will take the information from the user. Okay, understand this. So if I want to write here display, it will display. Okay, it will display the output. Okay, and what this print will do, it will sorry, it's my bad. Okay, so print will do the, it will display the output. Okay, so it will display the output. Input, it will take the user information. Okay, so we'll give some information or data. Okay, so input function will take some information and it will give some output based on the input data. Okay, now we will see this in VS Code. Okay, let's see here. So take some example. Okay, so I will take an input function. First you need to have a variable. That variable will be name, equal to, as we know syntax, first we need to have variable name equal to assignment operator. Now you will take input function. Okay, again for functions parentheses are mandatory. You should not forget this. Put a parenthesis. Okay, now you will ask user. Okay, what do you will ask? Enter your name. Okay, this is a prompt you will give to the user so that he will give some output. Okay, now he will give some output. Now you need to show what he entered. For that, use this print function. Print, again, parenthesis very much mandatory. Use parenthesis. You just give the variable name. See, this is the beauty of variables, okay? They will store the user information, and whenever we print, that user information will be printed, okay? Cool. I hope. Now when I run this, see here, it is asking for me. So before doing this, wait, I will clear the screen. So now see, when I run this, enter your name. You will enter your name. Okay. My name is Bahubali. Okay. My name is Bahubali. Or whatever your name. Okay. Enter your name. Bahubali is printed. Okay. This is how it will be printed. Now I want to tell you one more thing. See, with this name variable, you can use some more strings. Okay. So if you want, like, see, use some double quotes. Whenever you are using, see, for variable names, no need to use double quotes or single quotes. Just use variable names as it is. But if you're adding something extra, use double quotes. Your name is, okay, your name is, comma, name. Just, அவ்வளவுதான். That's it. Okay. When you print this, enter your name. What is your name? Bahubali. Okay. Your name is Bahubali. Okay. Use comma. Before that, add some, okay, string values, and then do this. Okay. It will print the output. Okay. In some languages, instead of comma, they will use plus. Will it work in Python? Will it work in Python? You'll get it. Bahubali. Your name is Bahubali. Yes. See? But the thing is, here we need to add some space for readability. Okay? If you add some space, it will be very good to read. Okay? You will not get any errors. But instead of name, you have some integers. Okay? Let's take num equal to 10. Okay? If you try to use this num here, you'll get some errors. I will give Rana. Okay? See, your name is plus num because can only concatenate str, not int. Okay? Plus symbol is only used to concatenate the strings here in Python. Okay? In other programming languages like Java, it will concatenate number also. If I put comma now, just print now, give Rana. See, your name is Rana. That your name is 10. Okay. There are some. Okay. I hope you got an idea. So you can use plus when you are concatenating strings. Okay. If you are using some two strings, Lava, and if you are concatenating with Kumar, no problem. Okay. So now if you do this, it's not a problem. I can show this here only. See. Okay. I will comment this. Let's just see this much only. See? Okay. Wait. Once again, my bad. See? Enter your name. Okay? So it's printing in the same line. Okay? So do Control S, print this LAVAKUMAR. Okay? So there is something. Okay? So don't worry about it. So use plus symbol whenever you are concatenating two strings, not for numbers. You will get an error. Okay? So in this video, I have explained you about concatenation of strings. Okay, if you want to concatenate with the numbers, you can use comma. Okay, if you want to use for strings, then plus is a fine. Okay, so this is all about input, that is input function, and output function print. Okay, so I hope you got to understand about input and output functions. Input is something which will give, which user will give. Output is something after executing that program, whatever the output that we will get. You can write code however you want. So in the next videos, I will write the logics. Okay. So then you will get it. Okay. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask in comment sections. If you want to scold me, scold in comment section. If you want to appreciate me, appreciate in comment section. Also, please give a like and share this video with your friends and colleagues, guys, so that it will be a motivation for me to do more videos like this. Okay, okay, guys. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep exploring, and come to my next video. Tada, bye bye. Take care.